10:21 p.m. our time here, and we have our first boat. It can't be fished yet because it only opens up tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. So let's see what it is. There we go. Let's go check. Oh yeah, we got orange peels because the dog either liked them or didn't like them. I can't really tell right now. What do we got?
A boat.
A fish boat or ice boat or
No
a gas
fish.
boat?
No one's fishing on it. Big splashes that comes down here. Oh yeah. Fuck. I gotta go open the valve downstairs.
Okay, yeah.
So
I'll
you guys
give you a second then.
help them drag that through there, Finn. Watch out for the refrigeration on the corner, please.
Here, you want to take it? Here, run it out here.
It's the gas boat.
It's gonna take us a second.
It's not our shakers.
Ooh, yeah, I like it. Hey, baby.
How many gallons you get?
Clear it out.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. It's on.
Remember, nobody's going to take it back this way. Oh, did you get your car? Go get your car.
Oh, it's raining so hard. You're gonna build a guy for gas,
Arctic's
right?
gonna say hi.
Arctic, you gonna go say hi to the guy? Arctic, are you gonna say hi to our guest? He's buying gas off us. Oh, it's raining so freaking hard. Arctic, get over here. Arctic, come on. Arctic. Come on, get back in here with me. Come on. Come on, get back in here with me. Come on. In with mommy. Come on. We're working.
Can you open the door?
You want it open?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I gotta get in.
Huh.
Come on.
I love you.
Cutting down on the
Good boy. No, they're not. But maybe they're doing ice. Hey, we were watching a Denzel Washington movie, just saying. Woo! Good movie. What's it called? American
American
Gangster.
Gangster.
Woo!
Denzel, my man, he walks with his shoulders. Check
Oh.
this out.
Do it. Do it.
He goes like this. He's coming at you. He walks, swings his shoulders. I
You
used
see
to have
that?
good John Wayne walk.
He's got a swagger. You got a swagger? Alaskan swagger? Woo! Woo! Do that one more time.
Don't post that.
I can if I want. Married to you, I can do whatever I want.